It's me, Andy Wilson, and I'm gonna show you how to make a volcano erupt. Me and my mom made this huge volcano. And we put these dinosaurs because we love dinosaurs, of course. These are the ingredients that you need. Red food coloring, a cone, vinegar, and some baking soda. Step number 1. You need to get your cone and some baking soda. First, you need to put the cone on top of the volcano. Then, you need to put some baking soda in. And here's a tip. Since it's stuck, you need to shake it or hit it. Okay. Second step. You need to get some vinegar and pour some drops of red food coloring. But I think you should put a lot of drops of red food coloring because so you can make a bright red. Ooh, that's really red. I think that's enough. Okay. Now you need to put the little cup, but I'm gonna count to 1, 2, 3 because it's the last step until the volcano explodes. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Whoa! That was so cool. Okay, I think I'm gonna put a little more because that was so cool.